Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. Have you ever tried to unlock the doors to your Mini and you're finding it difficult to do unless you get very close? Or even worse, your car doesn't recognize your key fob and won't let you start it. It might be time to change the battery in your key fob. Today, we're going to show you just how to do that. First, remove the key blade by pressing the small silver button on the side of the fob and pulling the key blade out. Next, take a small screwdriver and insert it here. You can see someone already hacked this up a bit. Pry up to pop the cover off. If the cover's never been opened before, it might be tight. Next, place the screwdriver into this slot here to pop this cover off. Remove the battery, and replace it with a new one. Pop the retainer plate back on with the tab side first. Snap the cover back into place. Reinsert the key blade, and you're good to go. As you can see, changing the battery in your Mini's key fob is simple. However, if it doesn't work, it might be time for a new one. Or maybe you just want a second one. Either way, head on over to our website, link in the description, where you can pick up a spare key fob for your Mini. For more tech tips and how-to videos on BMWs and Minis, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the future upcoming videos. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well for some exclusive shorts and behind-the-scene footage about what's happening here at BimmerTech. Thanks for watching.